Hello dear fans. What properties does water have? Within the boundaries of the Earth's biosphere, water is the most abundant substance. She is found both in a free and an abound state. This liquid is the basis of life on the planet. The remarkable properties of water have become the reason for its widespread use in everyday life, production, and many other areas of human activity. Instructions. Step 1. Water is not only the source of existence for most living organisms, it has long been one of those substances without which economic processes cannot do. Rarely does any technical system do without the participation of this universal fluid. Water is one of those substances that are naturally present on the planet in all three states of aggregation: liquid, gaseous, and solid. Step 2. Experts know that the main feature of water is the uniqueness of its properties. Almost all of these characteristics are anomalous from the point of view of science. Water easily changes its state, for example, passing from a liquid phase to a solid or gaseous. This liquid is sensitive to magnetic fields and is capable of conducting electricity. Step 3. One of the main properties of water is that it increases its volume when frozen by about 9%. If this process takes place in a confined space, colossal efforts are developed, which are successfully used in technical devices, for example, in ice jacks or cold welding machines. This property allows you to develop significant pressure in a small space. Step 4. The most common liquid on the planet also has a high thermal conductivity, becoming a kind of accumulator of thermal energy. There are original heating systems that take advantage of this property. In summer, the water in such installations is heated by interaction with the exhaust gases of diesel engines, after which the liquid is pumped into an underground storage. In winter, the remaining warm water is supplied to the heating system of houses. Step 5. Water absorbs gases very well. In this case, up to several tens and even hundreds of volumes of various gases can dissolve in one conventional unit of liquid volume. If gas is present in the water, cavitation can occur. In places where liquid is moving at high speed in a narrow space, water boils up, in which gas bubbles are formed. Step 6. It is difficult to find a better solvent than water. Almost all the elements of the periodic table are in a dissolved state in the waters of the planet. This quality is due to the high dielectric constant of this fluid. It is extremely difficult to obtain absolutely pure water. It will almost always contain impurities of other substances. Step 7. Water has a truly magical property. It was found that water can change its characteristics under the influence of a magnetic field. At the same time, the rate of chemical reactions accelerates, salts dissolve faster, and crystals precipitate more intensively from supersaturated aqueous solutions. Engineers know that in order to intensify the technological process in which water is involved, a magnetic field must be introduced into the system. Thanks for watching.